In African custom or tradition, ancestors' graves and the dead are so important, even more than the living human being. The belief is that this person can feed you, can take care of you, can protect you, can do anything for you. So it's like once a person is dead, it's closer to God.
We asked what they were doing with the graves. We went there and they said, identify the graves. When we got there, we found the place had already been dug up. We didn't know where the graves were. I kept pointing, that way, back there, that's where the graves are. But I'm not sure. Where are the graves?
Children are sick and many deaths are happening because of upset spirits. Some of these spirits were traditional healers. Some of these traditional healers had the power of the rain. They could make it rain at the same time if these ladies performed a ritual.
I don't know if it's allowed. I was thinking the grave needed to be left there. You can't just dig someone up. She's been dead for too long to be moved from place to place.
You undermine black people's culture, you undermine our customs. We are not opposed to jobs being created in Lephalale. The crux of the matter is they need to communicate with us. These people who bring jobs here, they don't care about us. They just assume we are stupid. If you don't communicate with us, we won't get along.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com.